Unveiling the Allure. Understanding surface-level charm. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, surface-level charm. It's a term you might come across in books, movies, or even in daily conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and recognize it in various contexts. Let's dive into the world of charm and discover what lies beneath the surface. Surface-level charm refers to a kind of attractiveness or appeal that is immediately noticeable but doesn't have much depth. It's like the shiny cover of a book that grabs your attention, but once you open it, the story might not be as captivating. This phrase often implies that the charm or appeal is superficial and might not last long once you get to know the person or thing better. To better understand surface-level charm, let's look at some examples. A person who is very polite and charismatic at first meeting, but later turns out to lack genuine kindness or empathy. A product with eye-catching packaging but fails to deliver on quality or usefulness. A movie with spectacular visuals but a weak plot or poor character development. These examples show that surface-level charm can be enticing at first but may not lead to lasting satisfaction or value. When you're talking about something or someone that seems appealing at first glance but lacks depth, you can say, "His politeness was just surface-level charm. He wasn't very nice once you got to know him. The hotel looked amazing in photos, but it was all surface-level charm. The service was terrible." Using this phrase in conversations can help you express a nuanced opinion about first impressions versus deeper qualities. Understanding the concept of surface-level charm enriches our comprehension of human interactions and how we perceive things around us. It reminds us to look beyond initial appearances and seek deeper qualities and values. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this exploration of surface-level charm has added another layer to your understanding of the English language. See you in our next video. Remember, the beauty of language learning is not just in knowing the words but in understanding the stories and ideas they convey. Keep exploring, and keep learning.